Holy shit. Holy shit. Massive avalanche on the Linda. I'm in my socks. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Holy shit, I'm out of the way. I'm out of the way. That's right where we left our stuff yesterday. Oh, look at it. Part of my language, but this is what kills people. Look at the size of that boulder moving. I hope you can hear me I've got my headphones in. Holy shit. Holy shit. I just ran away from the tent. Oh man, I want to go home. Look at this. Wow. Half the glacier's just falling off up there. More's coming down now. Completely wiped out the trail where we walked up yesterday. Well, half of it. I'm gonna go put my shoes on. I hope the boys get down soon. They're safe. They're up there. Wow.